Okay, all right. Good morning. Welcome to the daily money markets. My name is Che Yusuf. I'm the market analyst and as well as the business developer at Monarchs Broker. All right, so big news that just come out on the beginning of a new month. This is the new month. It's March, and we're on a weekend. Come after the weekend, the conflict between Iran and the US has started. So Donald Trump has called the Operation Fury. So Operation Fury has started. It actually started on a weekend. That's where it shocks every single person. And remember, these are the geopolitics that actually affect the global financial market. So we want to go through some of the story, that comes, for Iran and the U.S. war, and what assets we can be able to start pay attention that can actually, benefit us. When there's a war, there's a certain asset that we can follow. They will have that much of volatility. So the conflict started on weekend on Saturday, where United States, give a go-ahead on Operation Fury to actually, bomb in a Republic of Iran. So Republic of Iran received different, bombs from different areas. They were saying their parliament has been bombed, including, the place where the leader of Iran stays, which is Ayatollah. So during the weekend, we had the news confirming by Iranian televisions, and all the news from Bloomberg to every news channels confirmed that Ayatollah has been killed with her daughter, for that strike that happened from United States. Now, to understand this thing a little bit better, of course, it's a conflict that started way back, but obviously the bigger issue there, it was about the nuclear weapons. So, Iran has been saying that they're not creating the nuclear weapons, and the US has been saying that Iran is want to create a nuclear weapon. So the only way to do it is to actually avoid or to have a deal with Iran so that they can stop creating the nuclear weapons. Okay, now they had a last week, we had a video talking about they want to have a meeting between US and Iran. That meeting didn't go on a progress. That's where we end up seeing the military bombs goes all the way to Iran and kill the leader of Iran. Now, Iran has a different groups that actually they work together. There's groups like Revolutionary Guards, which is the army of Iran. Then Hezbollah, and there's also a group like Houthis, Hamas, and Islamic Revolutionary Guard. So 4 streams of a military group that can be able to assist. Okay, so definitely we have no idea that all these groups what they're gonna do, and already on a Monday morning we see the report saying that Hezbollah, the group from Lebanon, has started to strike, some part of Israel, because the Operation Fury is including US and as well as Israel, going all the way to Iran. And again, the Prime Minister of Israel, Netanyahu, actually announced that they're not going to stop until they achieve their goal. They're not going to stop to support the US to go all the way to Iran. Now, why us? We are coming in as a traders, for this a bigger conflict or big stories. What will benefit us? The most important thing that will benefit us is the price of the Brent crude oil and US oil. So these two prices have jumped through the weekend. The oil was sitting at $68, which was Brent. It jumps to $80 per barrel. When you look at the crude, was sitting at $65 per barrel. It jumped to $75 per barrel. So this is the type of volatility that us as the traders we're looking for. We're looking to get these opportunities. So we saw all the stocks started retracing, going all the way back. Why? Uninsensitive to the dollar. Uninsensitive to the dollar. Now, we always say, when there is an uninsensitive to a dollar, what does investors and people do? They go to invest in a safe haven. Now, the safe haven of a dollar, it's gold. So again, the story of gold, silver, and copper, the story of metals, they're coming back. So we're going to expect the volatility or in terms of growth when we look at gold. I'm predicting gold it will go to 5,600 by the end of Monday. Going all the way to Tuesday, Wednesday to Friday. If the war continues, it might get to all the way to $6,000 per gold. Now, when it comes to the Brent and crude, already they are close to they are above $80 per barrel. Where am I expecting? I'm predicting that it might go all the way maybe to $100 per barrel, $100 above $100 per barrel if the conflict will continue. But now that's the opportunity for us. These global financial geopolitics, when they happen, they give us a global financial movement in terms of the certain assets. Now you can see the stocks, they're all down. From Nasdaq, S&P 500, US stated, all of these stocks, they're going all the way down because of this conflict. Again, it's affecting the airlines. Most of the airlines, flight jet, has been actually closed down, especially the area of AUA, United Arab Areas. Most of the flight from there, from Qatar, from Saudi, has been actually cancelled because of the conflict. So a lot of things that will happen. This is just the beginning. It started on the weekend. I mean, I don't know what's going on with the Trump and the weekend special. The last time you went to Venezuela and take the president, that was weekend, Saturday. I think there was also something that nice that was happening that confuses people without paying attention. This time around again, the same thing. Weekend, it go all the way to Iran and it kill the leader of Iran, the Ayatollah. All right, so that's it. We're gonna follow up and bring the videos in terms of how the conflict is doing, what assets we can look at it. If we're trying to look for stocks, we can look for Euro stocks. There's also natural gas is going to have some little bit of volatility movement in terms of the growth. So these are all opportunities for us that we can be able to take advantage and use it and to make some money in the global financial market. So yeah, if you want to open up a trading account so that you can be able to participate in these major events if they are happening, there's a link on the description. Click the link, sign up, DM me if you want my assistance. I'll be able to assist you to open an account. But again, thank you very much for watching the video. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.